Experiencing unresponsive play-pause gestures on your AirPods Pro 3? You're not alone. Released in late 2024, these earbuds rely on a force sensor in the stem for single press control. Common causes include software glitches, dirt accumulation, or connectivity problems. First, ensure your AirPods are paired correctly and fully charged. Clean the stems with a dry cloth to remove any debris. Now update your iPhone to iOS 18.4 or later. This addresses known software bugs affecting gesture recognition. To update, go to Settings, General, Software Update. If issues persist, a simple reset can often resolve the problem. Place your AirPods in their case, close the lid, wait 30 seconds, then open the lid and press the Setup button on the back of the case until the status light flashes amber, then white. If basic steps fail, the issue may be more complex. Check for Bluetooth interference from other devices. Consider resetting your network settings on your iPhone. Some users have reported conflicts with third-party apps. Try uninstalling recently added apps to see if this resolves the problem. If the problem persists, contact Apple Support or use the Apple Support app for guided diagnostics, as a hardware defect might be present. Apple's self-service repair program now covers gesture-related faults. Looking ahead, Apple is integrating AI-driven troubleshooting and improving sensor durability, aiming for near-perfect gesture accuracy. Remember to keep your AirPods Pro 3 firmware updated for optimal performance and bug fixes.